How to lock gallery on OnePlus. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Settings. On Settings, click on Search button at the top right corner of your screen. Then, simply search App Lock. Click on App Locker. Then, again, click on App Locker. You will find this kind of screen pop up. Simply add your home screen password, then click on Apps. Add apps. In here you will find all the list of your apps. Click on Gallery. After you have done that, go back and there will be lock on your gallery. You can also click on Hide Notification Content. Now when you open Gallery, you will need to add lock screen password, and then only Gallery will open up. This is how to lock gallery on OnePlus. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.